Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open up the passenger side door. Now open up the glove box. And whatever's in the glove box, just get it out because we have to drop this glove box down. First thing we'll do is we'll get this dampener arm off. So just grab it and pull it out, and off it comes. Now push it in to get it out of the way. Now there are two stoppers that keep the glove box in place, one over there and the other one on the other side. What we now have to do is just grab on the glove box and pull it inwards. That's out. And this one too, and that's it. Now the glove box just drops down. Now to get this cover off, there's a clip on the side. Just press on the clip and get it out. And now at an angle, you'll have to slide that cover off. It has to be done at an angle or else it will not come off. And that's it. See, now it's off. That's the filter. Just grab the filter and pull it out. The filter is kind of flexible, so you can squish it a little bit to grab onto it when you slide it out. And there it is. Now that's the top side, which is the dirty side, and that's the clean side. Because the way it works is outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air goes into the car from the bottom. Now when you put the new filter in, look at those ridges. The filter should not get trapped on those ridges as you're sliding it in. That's important. And also the filter is not a square, it's a rectangle. One side is a little bit longer than the other side. So position it the way I'm showing over here. I'm just going to put the used filter in for now. You need to put in the new filter. Get the filter in, slide it in all the way. And once it's in, see there's a bit of a gap on the right side. And on the left side it sits flush. Yep, that's what it should look like. Also note the arrow on it pointing the airflow direction from top to bottom. Now let's get the cover back on. First we'll put this clip in. Again, you have to do this at an angle. Once it's in, now just get the cover on, push it, and that's it. Now it's secured. Now to put the glove box on, you see those cutouts over there? They go on the hinges right over there. So just align that the way I'm showing. Just align it and then rotate the glove box. As you do so, it'll automatically click on. Let's do this. And that's it. Now it's on. Now let's look at the dampener arm. If yours fell off, it should go back in that hole over there, and it should look the way I'm showing right now. Again, just pull this telescopic arm out all the way for now. Just push the glove box in, and both the stoppers are back in its place. Grab the dampener arm, align it over there, and then push it on to secure it, and that's it. Let's try this out. The glove box is now working as it should, and that's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video useful.